Hello, this is Itsu. Okay, I've removed my PLL system from the circuitry because I don't think it will work. I mean, what I see is that it will lock on a frequency, but it will not lock on the resonance frequency. There is no resonance detection circuitry on this diagram, I think. And of course it will lock on the 15 kilohertz, but as soon as I am changing the load, the resonance frequency will shift and it will not track it down because it cannot see why it's changing in resonance. So I'm back to a simple TL494 PWM circuit. It's this little circuit I ordered from eBay. I put it here on a little breadboard. I have hacked it with a pot meter so I can change the frequency. I've also made a little hack about the duty cycle. It's now maximum duty cycle, 45% each. I drive two MOSFET drivers with it, UCC 37322s, and they go directly to the MOSFETs driving the yoke. So I can adjust the frequency, the resonance frequency by hand, which gives me much more control, I think. I hooked up again the switch so I can feed back to the cache circuitry the correct phase signals to be on top or on the bottom of a sine wave of the yoke's inductor, 15 kilohertz. Still have to go to a higher frequency, 26, by removing some caps, but that will be done later. So I will activate now the 220 volts. We have one 100 watt bulb in. I have two probes on the gates of the MOSFETs coming from the MOSFET drivers, the purple and the blue. I have the green probe, well it's a yellow probe, but it's the green trace going to the cache gate signal, so we can see the little pulsing the gate of the cache. And I have the high voltage probe across the cap, the inductor cap. And here we can see the signals. We are in resonance. Yellow is the inductor, 500 volts peak to peak, and the green trace is the signal from the cache gate signal. You see the small pulses there. And we have the blue and the purple being the gates of the MOSFETs, also at 15.3 kilohertz, being in resonance. And with the little pot meter on the TL494, I can shift the frequency in and out of resonance. And one thing I notice is that when I peak the sine wave on the inductor to be maximum, I do not have maximum voltage on the bulb. There is a difference between the grenade resonance or peak. I will peak it now on maximum voltage on the grenade, on the bulb. There should be something here. And then it's not exactly on in resonance, so we have a difference of a few hundred kilohertz there, I think, which probably could be one of the reasons that the PLL did not work or something. But okay, I will keep this circuitry a little bit at the moment, so I can easily tune manually the frequency. I will go to 26 kilohertz by removing some caps, but for the time being the PLL is gone. Thank you for watching.